Marriage is often viewed as a journey of shared experiences and mutual support. But what happens when one partner decides to walk away? Walkaway wife syndrome is a phenomenon where one spouse abruptly ends the marriage. But this decision isn't made overnight. It's often the result of unresolved conflicts and deep-seated issues. Communication breakdowns, financial disputes, and incompatibility can all contribute. There are usually warning signs, though they may go unnoticed. The key is to recognize them before it's too late. Saving the marriage requires open communication and mutual effort, but it's not always possible, and sometimes one partner may have already checked out. If divorce becomes inevitable, legal guidance is essential. Arnold & Smith, PLLC, is here to help navigate the complexities of divorce proceedings. Contact the divorce attorneys at Arnold & Smith, PLLC, today for compassionate and knowledgeable support.